Is your home like an icebox in the winter? You should have called U.S. Window Factory. Do you spend all your money heating your home?
Hey, take all my money.
Are you tired of painting your old, worn-out windows? You should have called U.S. Window Factory.
Let's get the kid.
Do killer insects invade your home in the summer? You should have called U.S. Window Factory.
Go back. It's a trap. They bought windows from the U.S. Window Factory with screens.
As you can see, we are Tri-State's largest window company. Call 1-800-525-2969.
Old windows drain your money with higher energy bills. Stop the madness with U.S. Window Factory. We make energy-efficient windows on-site in our factory to your exact specifications. And we offer clean, professional installations in as little as 1 day. Now offering double-hung windows, Energy Star rated, completely installed. Save money on energy bills with new windows and save even bigger when you cut out the middleman and go straight to the factory. U.S. Window Factory. Call today for your free in-home estimate.
U.S. Window Factory announces its new Model 690 tilt-and-turn slider with special patented hardware. Total pivot for easy cleaning and full ventilation. Anderson, Pella, Marvin, nor any other window company in the U.S. has the same window as ours. This window offers a safe and fully accessible exit. U.S. Window Factory, the company that cares. Call 1-800-525-2969. At U.S. Window Factory, purchase our Model 101 window for $150 up to 90 UIs with a minimum of 5 windows. Imagine 5 windows, $750. 10 windows, $1,500. U.S. Window Factory, serving the tri-state area for decades. Manufacturing and installing all types of windows, doors, and vinyl siding.
Attention homeowners, due to the situation in the world, our president wants us to start conserving energy as news reports indicate there may very well be a dramatic rise in the cost of heating your home this winter. Direct from our factory, never before offered on national television, vinyl windows with the ultra-positive interlock system that saves up to 50% on your energy bill. Act now. Get this special offer. Buy 6 windows, get 1 free. For free shop-at-home service, call 1-800-525-2969.